So guys, in this video I'm going to give you the fastest quick overview of exactly how Ultimate Traffic Boost works. So when you come in to here, anyone who has bought the front end for $27 will have 500 visitors in here. Now I'll show you how they can use those visitors in a moment. The reason I've got 17,525 because I have paid for the $97 upgrade. Okay, so that means I've unlocked all of these that are inside here, which is the OTO one. Okay, so what we do when we come into here, we have two options. The first thing is you can either use our done for you referral links, which are here, and then it goes to our opt-in pages. So you click on this button here. You choose which one of the opt-in pages you want. We have loads of different ones in here. We'll be adding to these all the time. So let's say we like the look of this one that's had a 24% conversion rate. We then click back. We go grab one of the links here. You click on any of these, whichever URL you like the look of. So let's choose the Traffic Boost link. We click on that. We've copied it. We do a quick open incognito window. Now what you're doing here is you're giving away lead gen. You're giving away a package of free clicks, like a mini solo ads package. Now this will not let people cheat. You can't use the same email in here more than once. The system checks for it, so I have to put a new email into here. And once I've got into an incognito window here, so I'm not signed into my account, this would be as if this was a new lead coming in. This is what they would get. So the new leads using our pages would come into the system and they would get 25 visits. So that's what people are allowed to give away for free on their front end purchase. So they can then build their list by giving away traffic packages. Okay, that was part one. Now the second part, what people might want to do, they might want to add in their own campaigns. Okay, so here we have a thing we could do here. I'll do Paul's test campaign. So this is when you've got your own traffic, you want to send it to your own offers, your own opt-ins, and you just split test it with the URL. So I've got, let's say I've got 3 different offers that I want to split test, and I want 500 at each offer. I'm going to actually split test them all against each other. Here's a simple way of doing it. Put one offer in here. That's offer number 1. Offer number 2. And let's send 500 visits to that, which will be split to 250 to each one. The start date of this needs to be, let's start it ASAP. So let's see if he'll do it from yesterday. We'll run it before launch. Let's create that. That must be equal to today. So here guys, I'm quickly just speeding this up for you. Okay, I've created the 3 campaigns that you can see now here, and these are pending. As soon as our traffic starts, then you'll see this starting and we can track it. I'll do another video later to show you the updates of this. Now one other thing I want to quickly go over is the autoresponders. Now this is not your normal standard way of getting an autoresponder. What we've done here is we've used the APIs with GetResponse and ActiveCampaign who let us do this, and what it allows you to do is to put in your API key, your API URL, and what it will do, it will then pull in the full follow-up sequence for you. It will create it for you and it'll add in your links and everything. So I'm going to show you how to set this up here. So we need to go get the API key and URL from GetResponse, which I'll do now. This part here is connecting the storage. So this would just store them if you wanted to export them as a CSV to any other system if you don't have GetResponse or you don't have ActiveCampaign. Now we'll save that. And if I now jump over into my ActiveCampaign account, I go check out campaigns. Boom, there you go. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these created automatically from 11 different autoresponder sequences that were all created automatically from Ultimate Traffic Boost and dropped into your ActiveCampaign account. It does exactly the same in GetResponse, and it's a really cool feature that not many other people are doing. Okay, cheers now.